Okay, so we're gonna catch a sunset here. So it's like things are just starting to settle down. Runners, walkers, people taking the boat. Alright, just kind of show you what's around here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. What's around here? Yeah, sunset's gonna start coming down any minute too. Actually, all those boats out there too. So there's the cruise line all the way down there. So you can go, so there's probably more people down that way. Okay. Not so many people down this way. It's really beautiful, the limestone cliffs. I think the sunset's going to go down any minute. All the way down. Should be walking down that way. Okay, so this is Ao Nang Beach, not too far from Krabi town. This is zoom in this big rock formation over there. Looks like the sunset's going to be going down over that way. Or behind us, I don't know which way it goes.
Oh, Crystal.
What?
Hold on.
Alright. So, Ao Nang. Okay, sunset. Check this out. What the? It's like so cloudy and that's just kind of peeking through those clouds. I was wondering where that sunset was gonna... Couldn't even tell if how that was gonna happen, and now I just see that cloud. Okay, so while we're here, this is the beach. Let's zoom down the beach. Just make sure that, there we go, now we can focus. Now you can see how far we can zoom in. So now you can see all the way from one end down this way. And that's where limestone cliffs are at. And then we go all the way down here. And that's where our sunset is at. And then we're also gonna show you the other side too. Wow, the sunset's amazing though. come back to that in a second. So we're just gonna go down. Oh, look at that view. I thought that was cool. Look at this one. There's also so basically the whole road of commercial stuff that goes all the way down here, and then it goes up like that. And we're gonna go zoom back in on that sunset again. Dang, that's cool. Okay, sunset in ao nang or Krabi.